Hello guys, welcome to our mukbang. Anyway, I'm Major Steven and this is my brother Bryson. Hey, what's the big idea? Stop doing stuff! Dwight! I said Dwight! Come on, you wanna go? You wanna go? You want to see your face? Did you stop doing food? Jeepers creepers. Stop! 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 Wait. What on earth? You're disgusting, Dad. I hate you. Stop eating like an animal. I said stop. I swear you eat like an animal. Stop, 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 stop. I said stop. Ow! My stomach. You have to cry. You have to cry. Loudly. You ruined the show, brother. You ruined the show. Jesus Lord, Tyson. You almost got the cheese touch. I said, dying like an animal. You can't eat something, you big fat, stupid, fat, phobia animal. Want to see your face? Last shot. Last shot. Get back to your chair. I still get ignored.
I got
Like,
palm.